No. Welcome to Learn Igbo Now, and this is Yvonne. Today we're going to start with the Letter of the Week series, where we're going to learn the Igbo alphabet. And the letter for today is A. 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 Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido? A. A. Aka. 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 A. A. Azụ. 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 A. A. Akwa. 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 A. A. Achịcha. 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 A. A. Agụ iyi. Agụ iyi. Agụ iyi. Agụ iyi. Agụ iyi. Agụ iyi. That's it for today. We've learned the letter A, the Igbo letter A. That brings us to the end of this video. If you haven't yet done so, click like if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you would like a free welcome pack with storybooks, posters, and other material for learning Igbo, visit www.learnigbonnow.com to get the free welcome pack for learning Igbo. That's it for today. Bye.